Hey guys, I'm Yuta Shimpo, and I'm a concept artist from Japan. I'm a freelance concept artist working in the digital entertainment industry. Magic the Gathering, Kamigawa Neon Dynasty, Kaina of the Great Snow Sea, Drifting Dragons, and Pacific Rim the Black are examples of projects I've previously worked on. In my course, you'll be learning my workflow process from how to make a design brief to creating an interesting environment concept using 2D or 2D and 3D techniques. If you don't use a 3D software, that's not a problem at all, as I'll cover on how to create a scene using photo bashing techniques on Photoshop. I want to give a huge shout out to Wingfox for giving me this opportunity to produce this course, which you can find exclusively on this platform. I hope you enjoy the course. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Wingfox, and thanks for watching.